Hi, I'm Jien Weng coming from MouManTai. So today we are going to introduce our solution of streamlining sales pipeline management with automation tool. Without further ado, let's go to the next slide. So I'm the leader to MouManTai, Jien Weng, and the girl next to me is Janice Ng, the assistant team leader of MouManTai. We are both coming from Utah Sungai Long, studying in Bachelor of Science Applied Mathematics with Computing. So why do we need sales pipeline? Actually, there are a few problem statements that we are discussing about. So the first one is inefficient sales process. Most of the SME often struggle with inefficient sales process, leading to waste of times and resources. Without a streamlined sales pipeline, tracking and managing leads become very hard and resulting in lost opportunity and decrease of productivity. Secondly, we have high customer attrition. Retaining customers is crucial for business, especially for SME. Without a proper sales pipeline, may fail to follow up effectively and causing high customer attrition rates and loss of potential repeat business. The third one is inconsistent sales forecasting. So accurate sales forecasting is essential for planning and resource allocation for SME. So without structured sales pipeline, they may be struggle with inconsistent and unreliable sales predictions, affecting business planning and growth. So the fourth one is high cost of CRM system. There are a lot of CRM system and sales pipeline system existing on the market, but most of them are just too expensive for SME to start. And the fifth one is low scalability. It will be more expensive to upgrade to big enterprise version of sales pipeline and CRM system. So SME, they are struggling to pay financially to upgrade into a more scalable CRM and sales pipeline system. How do we fix them? Utilizing Google Workspace, we figure out a solution to solve this problem. Let's see how we utilize each of them to build a sales pipeline. Firstly, we utilize Google Sheets. So we normally use Google Sheets to store and manage all sales data, tracking every stage of the sales process from the initial lead to final outcome. Secondly, we use AppScript as a serverless coding environment. So we use it as a backend to integrate all the Google Workspace together from Google Sheet until the lookers. Thirdly, we use Google Form. So Google Form is a data collection tool where we gather all the informations, including inquiry and also complaint from the customers. Fourth, we use Google Calendar to mark down all the dates, especially those follow-up dates and the expected deadline for our every sales. Next, we also utilize Google Workspace Marketplace. It provides us a lot of additional third-party apps and integration to streamline the sales management process. We utilize Gmail as well for automated email interaction with customer and sales representative, mostly a reminder and notifications. And then we also utilize Looker as a dashboard to provide clear insight and sales performance to make data-driven decisions. Lastly, we have BigQuery serve as a relational database management system to upskill our storage. Okay, now let us welcome Janice for demonstration time.
Hi, I'm Janice. Now, we want to demonstrate how we work using Google Workspace. When a customer approaches us, they will fill out a Google form to set an appointment time and assign a specific agent. We use AppScript to validate form responses, ensuring accurate data entry. So from here, you can see that the name list doesn't allow any digit to be typed in. So let's say I type the correct one, which is alphabet, and here we go. After that, we press the submit button. Additionally, we utilize Google Workspace Marketplace tools like form notifications to alert managers when a new appointment is scheduled. And the Form Director tool automatically marks the appointment date in our company calendar for seamless follow-up. Thanks to a tool, after we have submitted the Google form, everything has been marked down in the Google Calendar. After marking our appointment in the calendar, we move to the email notifications, which this is where the one that I've received just now. And here we have all the information. And now, in order to have a clean and organized workflow, we manage using the Google Workspace tool, Teamwork. And this is where I have to add all the information and the details and choose your preferred sales agent. From here, I can assign Janice and notify assignee by email. Therefore, this everything the workflow can notify the agent. And if I press the Add a Task, next, moving on to the Teamwork webpage. From here, we can see that the new company appointment is assigned to Janice, and we can set the priority is high. We can explore the function from the Teamwork pages, and we can see that how many active tasks is ongoing, and this is a summary of everything. From the board function, we can see that what is the to-do, in progress, or completed project in the sales pipeline. Then, customer data from the Google form is stored in Google Sheets. After agents interact with customers, they update the sales data in Google Sheets, tracking each stage of the sales process from initial lead to final outcome. This system allows us to monitor sales closure probabilities, revenue forecasting, and sales team workflow management. Okay, imagine we have thousands of data. It's difficult for us to key in one by one. Therefore, we leverage App Script for efficient data entries, updates, and deletion. This is a data entry form, and let's say we type in a random company. And this is a value where after the customer interact with the agents, and they knew that what is the value for the product, and under who's the team member, and we press submit, we can see that it's automatically added into the Google Sheets. That added successfully. If you wanted to update the product information or delete the record, you have to know the order ID. So imagine we have a lot of data here and it's difficult for you to find, and we have come out a search bar from here. Let's say I wanted to know Janice member project. So I search here, and they will display everything under the team member. Oh, then I found out that this is the incorrect project I have to delete. So I went to the delete record. It has been deleted. Next, if I wanted to update the record for the 144 order ID, I can fetch the details from it, and I can proceed to following stages, value, and next step. After we have added the new data in the data entry form, this will notify the team member via email where there's a new deal they need to do. Besides, from the Google Sheets here, we can know that the expected closure date will fall on 25 October. And we go to the calendar, we will see that this will be automatically marked down and will remind the team member to follow up before the due date. Apart from that, we have the send reminder emails functions automate sending follow-up reminders to sales representative and customers based on the data in the Google Sheets. It checks the number of days since the last interaction, compares it to a threshold value, and sends a personalized reminder emails to sales rep if the follow-up is overdue. Additionally, it reminds customers to sign and return contracts, ensuring efficient and timely sales process management. We have another email function to remind agents of their monthly targets, motivating them to achieve their goals. To visualize our performance, we use Looker. This tool helps us predict expected revenue, understanding actual revenue, and also track case stages. The dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of sales performance. This visualization is extremely useful for identifying sales trends, comparing actual performance to expectations, and understanding the overall effectiveness of the sales process, enabling data-driven decision-making and strategic planning.
Thank you, Janice, for her demonstration. So how do we address each problem? So for first problem, we use Looker to streamline each stage of sales process to address the inefficient sales process accordingly. So as we can see, using Looker, we can visualize all the sales pipeline stages, including leads, contact, until the stage 1. Secondly, we have high customer attrition. We use automated reminder to sales representative to follow up their clients. So how do we exactly do it is we record each of the last interacted date, and then we follow up them by sending them the reminder email automatically. Next, we also found that we have inconsistent sales forecasting. By utilizing Looker to forecast the expected sales in upcoming time, we can actually compare the actual revenue and also the expected revenue in a graph, and we can also allocate our resource and planning accordingly. Next, we have high cost CRM system. So basically, we have Google Workspace for free for the first 15 GB storage per user. Compared to other CRM systems such as Salesforce and HubSpot, Google Workspace is suitable for SME, especially those micro enterprise to start off. Then we have the low scalability problem. So a lot of CRM systems, they are expensive to upscale. By using BigQuery as the relational database management system, we can easily upscale our storage and our database easily and integrate seamlessly with AppScript as well. Is the product feasible in long term? Yes, of course. Feasible in long term because of the market demand of the CRM system and sales pipeline system. The growing number of SME is increasing and driving a continuous demand for affordable and also efficient sales management tool. And also the digital transformation of SME are increasingly adopting the digital solution to streamline the operation. For technological advancement, The rise of cloud-based solutions ensure that the sales pipeline system can be easily accessed and can be easily scaled and maintained, reducing the infrastructure cost for SME to build it locally. And also we have the integration capability of Google Workspace because of the continuous improvement in the integration capability with other business tools, such as the CRM system and also all those Google Workspace tools. It just enhances the system usability and values. And the last one is the cost effectiveness. The subscription model of Google Workspace offering the product of a subscription basis ensures steady revenue, so the business does not have to worry about unexpected costs to maintain and adopt the sales pipeline system. The business value of this product is to enhance the sales efficiency. It could maximize the sales conversion rate and make better decisions by driving the data-driven insight and forecasting, and also increase customer retention by the CRM system, enhance the long-term revenue of the business. It ends up of increasing the revenue of our business. And also in terms of storage, it can be upscaled easily, and also almost unlimited integration thanks to the AppScript integration, and also ease of access thanks to a cloud computing system. According to the World Bank, there are approximately 400 million SME worldwide, and they are valued at 52.64 billion in 2020 for the CRM market size, and expected to keep growing. For serviceable addressable market, there are 70 million of SME in Southeast Asia market, and 50% of those SME are likely to adopt affordable tech solution. This is a realistic estimation while considering the region rapid digital transformation and the increasing of tech adoption. So we target 35 million of SME are using the product, and the serviceable obtainable market is Malaysia SME market, which is 1.15 million SME, and we expect 0.5% of market penetration per year, and we target to have 5,750 SME per year to become our customer. But why choose me, not other? So let's see other competitor, which is Salesforce and also Monday.com, which are the big player in CRM and sales pipeline system. So by comparison, using Google Workspace, we have the lowest starting price, which is $0 and other would cost something, and the scalability are comparable to other company leader, and the interface for Google Workspace is simple to set up and also have a minimal learning curve. Compared to Salesforce, they require extensive training. Lastly, the key finding of our presentation is we offer Google-based sales pipeline system to streamline the sales process, to enhance customer retention rate, to make data-driven decision, and our solution features cost-effective, highly scalable, highly customizable, and also cloud-based solution. That's all from our presentation. If you have any question, please feel free to connect and contact us through email and also LinkedIn. See you in the final round of Google Hackathon. Thank you.